Hi there, I'm here with Jay Dollries at Label Expo Americas 2014. He's with Innovative Labeling Solutions, and we're at HP's booth. And Jay is the proud owner of the first HP Indigo 20,000 press geared towards flexible packaging. And he's going to tell us a little bit about that new investment and why it's relevant for his business.
Great, thank you. Glad to be here. You know, the 20,000 is really not just for flexible packaging. We're running it with labels. It's an exciting new technology. It really is going to change the face of digital printing within the marketplace. On the flexible packaging side, it's going to bring a capability that they've never had and never seen. And so all the things that the label industry has really started to embrace over the last 10 years will now be available for flexible packaging. You know, but even within the label market, this new platform we really think is a game changer as far as the market, and we're really excited about where this is going to take our company.
Excellent. And what is so game changing about the 20,000? What is that big difference that makes it a new playing card?
So on the flexible packaging side, the narrow web of the Series 3 press, which was 12.5 inches, really had a lot of limitations as far as what you could actually run capability-wise. You really couldn't do stand-up pouches because you really need something that's in a 15 to 20-inch web width in order to do it. So this technology, printing 29 plus inches, really addresses 80% of the marketplace on flexible packaging as far as what it can do. On the label side, it really brings the ability of running long runs digitally now. So instead of runs of 20,000 feet on a narrow web, on an equivalent narrow web with the new technology, the 20,000, we're looking at 50 to 70,000 foot runs, which is really a substantial part of the marketplace. So that's really what the game changer is it brings a whole gamut of different product lines that we can do.
And I suppose, you know, we've really seen digital technology take off in the label market. I think we say about 5% of the global share is now digital print, but if you look at the value share, it's actually significantly higher. And now with introductions like this 20,000, we're seeing it bleed into flexible packaging, folding cartons. When you look at your business, how do you see it evolving over the next couple of years?
Well, digital in general within our business, you know, we started obviously at ground zero. It's grown to be 65% of our revenue. It's not 65% of our footage that we run through the business, but from a value standpoint, it's 65%. We see that doing nothing but growing into the 80% and above range. I mean, there's just so much more that we're going to be able to do now with the 20,000 that we couldn't do previously. So clients that really want to get into doing the technology, but there was a cost prohibitive factor, will really be looking forward to the technology to be able to take advantage of the things that, you know, the rest of the market's been able to utilize.
Excellent. And so you hosted an open house at your facility in Ohio a few weeks ago, and you invited a few brand owners in. And what was their reaction when they saw this technology and what it's capable of, and the format that it's capable of producing in?
Yeah, it was an eye-opening experience for most of them. Most of them had no idea that, you know, the technology was here and was ready for the market. So there was a lot of wide eyes, and, you know, at the end of it, talking to the brand owners and just feeling out what they experienced within the event that we had. That was probably the biggest thing. It was like, wow, you know, we had no idea that this was in the marketplace now, and that this is something that we're going to be able to do now versus something that may happen in the future. And so I think they really took away from it what the opportunities were going to be to their businesses.
Yeah, to really leverage some of the opportunities of customization and personalization and things like that. Excellent. Well, thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a great time this week at the show.
Thanks, Dan.
Awesome.